Guys, we all love soaking up the sun, but sometimes that golden glow can turn into an unwanted tan. Don't worry, babes, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you some amazing DIY remedies using natural ingredients you probably already have at home. We're going to brighten that beautiful skin and get you glowing from within. So if you're ready to say goodbye to that stubborn tan and hello to radiant, healthy-looking skin, keep watching. Let's be real, a little tan can be gorgeous, but too much sun exposure can leave your skin looking dull and uneven. That's why we're going back to basics with natural ingredients that can help remove that tan. Think about it, guys. We've been using these ingredients for centuries. Papaya is a natural exfoliator. Raw milk has lactic acid that brightens, and oats soothe and heal the skin. Let's whip up this super simple face pack that will leave your skin feeling baby soft. Take a few pieces of ripe papaya and mash them up until you have a smooth paste. Now, add in 2 tablespoons of raw milk and 1 tablespoon of oats. Mix it all together until you have a nice, consistent paste. Apply it evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the area around your eyes. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Tomatoes are like a magic potion for your skin, and we all know how amazing aloe vera is. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage. Aloe vera, on the other hand, is known for its soothing and healing properties. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. Simply mix together 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture to your tanned areas and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Coconut milk is not just for delicious curries and desserts, you guys. It's also a beauty secret. It's full of vitamins and fatty acids that can help lighten tan lines and nourish your skin. For this one, simply soak a cotton ball in some coconut milk and apply it all over your face and body. You can also use it as a spot treatment on stubborn tan lines. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. Your skin will feel so soft and supple, like you've just stepped out of a spa. Okay guys, this is a classic remedy for a reason. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that can help fade tan and dark spots. But remember, always use it diluted. We don't want to irritate that beautiful skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, so it'll keep your skin hydrated while the lemon juice works its magic. Apply this mixture to your tanned areas and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, has been used for centuries in beauty rituals. It's like a magnet for impurities and can help to soothe sunburns and reduce tan. And we all know that rosewater is basically magic in a bottle, right? Mix 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti with enough rosewater to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your tanned areas and let it dry completely. Once it's dry, wash it off with lukewarm water. Saffron is a luxurious ingredient that's not only used in cooking, but also for its incredible skin benefits. It's known for its ability to brighten the complexion and fade dark spots. And when you combine it with milk, which has lactic acid, it's a total game changer. Soak a few strands of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk for about 15 minutes. Apply this mixture to your face and neck and leave it on overnight. Wash it off in the morning and you'll notice a beautiful, healthy glow. Let's be real, sometimes our skin just needs a little extra hydration, especially after being out in the sun. This cucumber and watermelon mask is like a tall drink of water for your skin. Cucumber is super soothing and hydrating, and watermelon is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Simply blend together a few slices of cucumber and watermelon until you have a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your face and neck and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water. So there you have it, babes. 8 amazing natural remedies for tanning that you can easily do at home. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Use these remedies regularly and you'll start to see a noticeable difference in your skin tone. And don't forget to always wear sunscreen before stepping out in the sun.